What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got a quick what's in the box video here. This just showed up in the mail. It's the last piece of the puzzle for my Porsche Race Team build idea. Almost done with the bus, and I'm printing out some stuff for the inside of it right now as we speak, boxes and extras. And this will be the next build. And the bus build video is coming soon. I'm almost done with it, like I said. I just wanted to crack into this real quick and see what's in it. See what we're working with here. I've never built a Hasagawa before. I used to work with a guy named Hasagawa. We called him Hasagawa. You know how work feeds into us. Yay, plastic. Ooh, look at how funky and yellow that is. This is new for me, new experience. I've never built one of these. I don't know what's inside of it, but I do know that's a really cool car. And that matches the whole color scheme that I'm going with, the black and yellow or yellow and black. So let's crack into this thing and see what we got. Ooh, it smells old. So the manual, very similar to the holy decals, Tamiya's and Fujimi's, and you know, it looks pretty detailed, pretty clear where everything goes and what gets stickers, and oh good lord, this is going to be a decal intensive kit, but it's such a cool looking car. That is going to look nice on the trailer with the other two and the support bus in the background. So we'll pull these off the side and get immediately into this body that, wow, holy Batman. Crack these open because I am going to build this almost immediately. Nice. Good, decent panel lines. I don't see any excessive flash or anything anywhere. Looks like it's got a little bit of stain on it. Probably want to wash this thing. I don't know how long it's been inside of that bag, but man, does that just not scream race car? Vroom vroom. So moving on, let's jump to the decals here. Weird, the plastic feels different than the other kits we got, like a Revell or an AMT. Not sure what that is, not sure if it's usable. Tire. Yeah, those are for the tires. I also just got some decal paper. I'm going to try scanning and printing my own decals. They look pretty decent. Those look like they would be usable. I also have some clear, acrylic clear to spray on them. Someone told me that was the trick, but they look like they're in okay shape. Well, I guess I was mistaken. There's really not that many decals on there at all, but they sure look good. And then the clear parts look pretty good. Kind of thin, but I don't see any scratches or anything, any imperfections. Everything looks nice. Got some lights for nighttime racing. The wheel inset things. Yeah, that's proper technical terminology. Wheel inset things. So, wheels, let's look at those. Huh, different color. Interesting. Wonder why. But wow, look at the width difference. The front and the rear. That's a meaty looking race wheel. And then the tires. Looks like they're color coded. This one's purple and this one's pink, probably for front and rear. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to remember which one is which. I mean, unless they're right and left. Wow, those are some really good looking tires. Nice, nice rubbery feel to them. Definite rubber bands. Ooh. Here, let's do one of the thickies. Thick boy. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Very cool. Don't want to stretch them out too much before we get to working on them. Well, I'll do that when I'm done. Pretty limited parts count. Wheel backs with looks like the rotors have indentations on them, so those will be visible. Can paint that up so you can see it behind the wheel. Probably can't see it on the camera, but those are nice. Those will look good. And then two more trees here. So I guess there is no motor visible. It's a 100% curbside kit. There was some question about it when I bought it. This was an auction win. Super cheap, ridiculously cheap. I'm working on a video for that right now. Oh, there goes the printer. New stuff. There's that solid, flat undercarriage, racing downforce. Looks like that's the instrument cluster. Yeah. Not a whole lot going on there. Not a whole lot going on here for parts either. This is probably going to be a relatively quick build. And the steering wheel is nice and thick, little teeny guy for racing. I mean, you're only making micro adjustments. Pretty simple. Not a whole lot to this. Not at all like that Ford GT or the GT Racer. Oof, that thing's got some parts. So I'll finish up the bus and get started on this one. And I said this will be the next build to complete to go with the Porsche Race Team. Ooh, that's the transport support vehicle. There's gonna be a bunch of stuff inside, jacks and tools and tires and stuff. So that's coming up real soon. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, or else. That's it. Thanks for tuning in.